All right, everybody, let's take a look at distributive property. So when we hear the words distributive property, you're going to see this so much in algebra. Oh my goodness, it just comes up over and over again. And so you'll become a pro at it really soon. But it just means multiply whatever is in front of the parentheses times whatever's inside of the parentheses. So 2 times v is just 2v, right? 2 times -5 is -10. Now, can you combine those two terms together? No, this is like 2 Volvos minus $10, 2 cars minus $10. Like that doesn't make any sense. There's no way to combine that. It's not like these are both V terms or both number terms. So that's the answer. That is the simplified version. So see if you can do the same thing for the second one. Pause it, try it. Okay, so -4 times n, that's just -4n. -4 times +3 is -12. So that's like -4, some things, minus $12. I always think of the number as just like money. That's usually helpful. You can't combine that together. There's nothing else to do. That's your answer, -4 and -12. All right, that's the distributive property. Short and sweet. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you next time.